All right, welcome. Today we're on page 106 in our workbooks. Let's make sure we have our workbooks out to page 106. And let's get started with this first one. We're on part A, okay? And the first one says, write the missing numbers. And we say 21.4 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Does anyone here know? How many millimeters? For number part A?
214 millimeters.
All right, 214 millimeters. Good job. Okay, now when we're going from centimeters to meters, in this case, it was 21.4 centimeters, okay? What we do is we multiply by 10, okay? So I take 21.4 times 10, and I know to do that, I just need to move the decimal one place to the right. And I get, so we're looking at 4.615 meters, and we're going to convert to centimeters in this case. So what we need to do is multiply by 100 to get to centimeters. So we know that in order to multiply by 100, we need to move the decimal 2 places to the right, okay? And so this ends up being, what's our answer, NJ, for this one? Or engine, either one?
461.5 centimeters.
Okay, perfect. 461.5 centimeters. So that's how we would do this one. Just move the decimal 2 places to the right. All right, so let's go back there. And next we're looking at part E. Okay, anyone think they know the answer for part E? It says 0.627 kilometers equals how many meters here? Okay, so we should write 0.627 kilometers. Pretty sure I got that right. Okay, and that's kilometers. All right, and then let's zoom in here. And if we're going from kilometers to meters, what do we need to multiply by? What should we multiply by? For kilometers?
1,000.
Yeah, so times 1,000. So what we're going to do here is take the decimal, and we need to times by 1,000. Do you know the answer yet? Well, we need to take this. Yeah, go ahead.
67.2 meters.
I think we need to move it one more place to the right, okay? So it's going to the decimal, new decimals, and going to end up being here. Okay, so that's my new decimal point. So what is that? Our new number is then what? $627 what?
Meters.
Yeah, meters. Okay. All right. So make sure you have 627 meters for that one. All right. So let's get that in there. 627 meters. You guys are doing great. Keep up the good job. All right. Let's see here. We have 7.33 centimeters equals how many millimeters? From centimeters to millimeters, we need to multiply by 10, right? So let's take 7.33 centimeters times 10. What is that? What do you think? Well, we move the decimal one place to the right here, and my new decimal will go there. All right, so there's my new decimal, and I can erase the old one almost here. Okay, what's the new number, if you can kind of see that?
73.3 millimeters.
2.198 meters equals how many centimeters? Well, we're going from meters, 2.198 meters, Okay, let's get into this. This thing's a really handy chart. 2.198 meters and centimeters. We are going to go from meters to centimeters. What do we need to do? What should we do? Well, we need to multiply by what? What should we multiply by, guys?
100.
Yeah, times 100. Okay. And if I do that, then what do I get? Well, does anyone know the answer yet? I'm multiplying 2.198 meters times 100. What do I get?
219.8 centimeter.
Yeah, you got it. 219.8 centimeters. Okay, perfect. So let's make sure we write 219.8 centimeters there. So let's write 219.8 centimeters. All right, we're doing great, guys. Let's keep going. I think we can finish this page. 53.64 kilometers equals how many meters? Okay, so 53.64 kilometers equals how many meters? So it's 53.64 kilometers equals how many meters? Well, we need to multiply by what? What do we need to multiply by? Anybody? Multiply by what?
1,000.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to multiply by 1,000. All right, so 53.64 times 1,000. We need to move the decimal 3 places, 1, 2, 3. And I like to write an imaginary 0 there, kind of. So this is if we multiply this by 1,000. And what do we get for our answer? What is this number? What's the answer there, boys?
53,060 meter.
Yes, 53,640 meters. 53,640 meters. Okay. All right. And then the next one, we're going to go through this list hopefully quickly. And we're going to break these up into centimeters and millimeters. Do you guys have these? You ready? All right, tell me what goes in the first blank here. How many centimeters is this? 7.3 centimeters equals how many centimeters? What do you guys think? What goes here? What goes there?
7.
Yes, and then in the next blank? How many millimeters?
3.
3, thank you. All right, keep going just like that. Let's go quickly through this, all right? How many centimeters is this?
12.
Yes, keep going. Millimeters?
8.6.
Yes, very nice. Good job. All right. So be careful on that one. That's 8.6 millimeters. Okay, so be careful on that one. Keep going.
34.
And the next one, 34 meters. And how many centimeters?
90.
90. Yes, you're correct. Great job. Okay, and then we're moving along here quickly. We're almost done, guys. A couple more looks like. Let's go. Engine, keep going. How many meters is that?
5.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then how many centimeters is that?
25.5.
All right. Okay, and then the next one. How many meters?
39 meter.
Yep. And how many centimeters is that?
2 centimeter.
Yeah, great. Let's see here. And for this one, kilometers,
4,
4 kilometers, and how many meters?
325.
Yes, good job. All right. And the next one is 80.074 kilometers to meters. Okay, so we just kind of write that. What is that? NJ or engine?
80.
80 kilometers. And how many meters is that?
74.
Yeah. Okay, we kind of think of that as like 74. You could think of it as out of 1,000 a little bit, but that's 74 meters. All right, I think you did it. Last one here. What's the answer?
195.
Yeah, 195 kilometers. And how many meters?
41.
41 meters. All right, that does it for page 106. But you guys can just send me that homework. You guys did a great job today. Thank you.